Now we got some smart glasses point of view. We gave y'all the drone point of view. We gave you my point of view. Now we're giving you some more of my point of view. But this time it's from the smart glasses. So we got that going on, man. We got 3 different fantastic cameras that can give us something different. All 3 of them. Oh, pigeon. Excuse me. Excuse me. Uh-oh. Yeah. Let's see what is, man. It's crazy. This might go in the video too. We'll see. This might be a separate video. Yeah, it will be. Walk-in, Las Vegas Strip. Smart glasses point of view. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. So I got the drone point of view. I got the POV. And now we got the glasses, smart glasses point of view. Let's see where this goes. Let's see how I look in these. We in Vegas, y'all. We made it. We made it. Who had any doubts that we was gonna make it? We made it. Man. Different cities, different skies, only right. I see eyes closed, mind blown. Different hope. Every night when we see a sight to see, Cartier glasses on, touch it kinda bright and sweet. Nightlight and close your eyes with me. I should get deep, like feces and cream. Passport heavy, yet a vision stay clean. I move how I feel, not just the Las Vegas Strip. Gordon Ramsay, famous chef. Must be one of his restaurants. I won't be checking that one out, but I may check his vegan restaurant out one day. Hell's Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay. So he must have a... Man, this man is a billionaire, ain't he? He gotta be. I know this ain't where they filmed the show. I know the show was called Hell's Kitchen. I don't know. You learn something new every day, I guess. I love modern technology. It's so advanced. Got the drone doing the cameraman work for me. What the? A Pegasus. I got the smart glasses sitting on my face doing the work for me. And got my iPhone doing a great job. Instead of having to buy a professional camera for vlogging. We're making things work. Things we got around us, we're making it work. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Ain't nobody giving you tours like this. Nobody's giving it to you like I'm giving it to you. You're not getting this nowhere else. We in Las Vegas tonight. Actually, for the entire weekend. We go to New York next month. After that, it's Paris. Then where we going next? Miami.
Then we going down to LA. After that, I'm thinking of New Orleans. I don't have those, but I don't have New Orleans booked yet. But I'm thinking of New Orleans. I really want to fill my summer up with Bali and Thailand, maybe Colombia. But like I said in the other video, I'm still working around moving because I still plan on moving this year. So I'm working around that. But I said all that to say, like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Don't forget to tell your friends about it. You're not getting tours like this. I wonder if it's a mirror. Let me show you what's going on. This is what's going on. I don't think you can see. I don't think you can see. This is how I'm recording and getting the video to y'all. But yeah, y'all know how that go. Y'all. Let's see if we can get close up and personal with the strip before we go. Look at this, baby. We gotta go back over the bridge. We back in Paris. We back in Paris before we go to Paris. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna keep saying it. Like, comment, subscribe before we get to Paris. Las Vegas, Paris, and France, Paris, France. Oh, look at the mountains here. I wonder if y'all can see it. The mountains. 3,000 likes. I'll go over there and give y'all a tour. Ooh, there goes J-Lo, my ex-wife. I already explained to y'all in the last video. Just our careers took us different paths. We both still love each other. She doing her thing, I'm doing my thing. It's that simple. Let's get y'all over this bridge.
I touched down with a light. Don't sleep.